Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Netflix plan. You can upgrade or downgrade your Netflix plan. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix account and open it. Go to your profile. And after that, go and click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. After that, click on the link, netflix.com/more. Click Continue. And click Manage Account. Enter your Netflix email and password. Click Sign In. And here you can change plan as the first option say. So click on it. And as you can see, for example, for me, my actual plan is $4 per month. There is another plan for $8 per month, which is the standard, and the $10, which is the premium. So if you want, you can like upgrade or downgrade to any plan. Of course, I can't downgrade because it's already like the smallest type of account or the most basic type of account, but I can upgrade to premium. You have just to click continue, and like that you will upgrade your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.